In this video, I show you how to fix Google app not working on Android phone. For fixing this problem, go to Play Store, search Google app, click on Google. Now update your Google app. Now go to settings, then go to apps, then go to see all apps. Now click on search for Google app, click on Google app, click on force stop, click on OK. Now click on storage and cache, clear cache, then clear storage, and click on delete. Now open your Google app. Now you can see that Google search app is working. Now I hope that this method fixes your problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.